Hi, in this video we will talk about that. Start using castor oil before bed and see what happens. Castor oil is a natural vegetable oil derived from the seeds of the castor plant, Ricinus communis. It has been used for centuries for various purposes, ranging from medicinal to industrial applications. Castor oil is known for its thick consistency and pale yellow color, and it contains high levels of triglycerides, fatty acids, predominantly ricinoleic acid, and other beneficial compounds. Castor oil has long been used as a traditional remedy for a variety of ailments, including constipation, skin conditions, joint pain, and more. It is often used topically or ingested orally for its therapeutic effects. With the growing interest in natural and organic products, castor oil has gained popularity as an ingredient in natural remedies, beauty products, and household items. It is often preferred for its perceived purity and effectiveness. Number 1. Improve sleep. Stress and anxiety often stand in the way of a good night's sleep. Luckily, castor oil possesses soothing properties that can help calm the mind and promote relaxation. Massaging a small amount of castor oil onto your temples, neck, and chest before bed can create a tranquil environment conducive to sleep. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent remedy for relieving muscle soreness and promoting relaxation. Gently massage castor oil onto tense muscles before bed to release tension and encourage a more peaceful sleep. Number 2. Antimicrobial. Bacteria are everywhere, from doorknobs to countertops, posing a constant threat to our health. Fortunately, castor oil contains antimicrobial compounds that can help combat bacterial infections when applied topically. Simply massage a small amount of castor oil onto your skin before bed to create a protective barrier against harmful bacteria and prevent infections from taking hold. Fungal infections, such as athlete's foot and nail fungus, can be both unsightly and uncomfortable. Castor oil's antifungal properties make it an effective remedy for combating these stubborn infections. Apply castor oil to affected areas before bed to inhibit fungal growth and promote healing, allowing you to wake up to healthier, happier skin and nails. Number 3. Boosts immune. Castor oil contains potent compounds that can help stimulate the immune system and enhance its ability to fight off infections. Ricinoleic acid, the main fatty acid found in castor oil, has been shown to have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective ally in the battle against pathogens. Luckily, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, allowing your immune system to function more effectively. Massaging castor oil onto inflamed areas before bed can help calm inflammation and support immune health. Number 4. Reduces acne. Castor oil's rich texture and antimicrobial properties make it an excellent cleanser for acne-prone skin. When applied before bed, castor oil penetrates deep into the pores, dissolving impurities, excess oil, and bacteria that can contribute to acne breakouts. One of the underlying causes of acne is excess sebum production, which can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Castor oil has the unique ability to regulate sebum production, thanks to its balancing effect on the skin's natural oil production. Number 5. Healing of wounds. Castor oil possesses antimicrobial properties that can help protect wounds from harmful bacteria and fungi. By applying castor oil to wounds before bed, you create a protective barrier that wards off pathogens and supports a sterile environment for healing. Adequate moisture is crucial for optimal wound healing, as it helps prevent scabbing and promotes the formation of healthy new tissue. Castor oil acts as a natural emollient, sealing in moisture and creating a conducive environment for skin regeneration. Number 6. Dry lips. In addition to providing hydration, castor oil is packed with nourishing nutrients that promote overall lip health. Its high concentration of fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants helps repair and rejuvenate the skin, leaving your lips looking and feeling their best. Dry lips often come with uncomfortable symptoms like itching, burning, and inflammation. Fortunately, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritation and reduce redness, providing much-needed relief to dry, irritated lips. Applying castor oil before bed can help calm discomfort and promote a more restful night's sleep. Number 7. Joint pain. Unlike many topical remedies, castor oil has the unique ability to penetrate deep into the skin, reaching the underlying tissues and joints. This allows it to deliver its therapeutic benefits directly to the source of your pain, providing targeted relief where you need it most. Chronic pain can take a toll on your mental and emotional well-being, making it difficult to relax and unwind at night. Luckily, the act of applying castor oil before bed can be a soothing and therapeutic ritual that helps calm the mind and reduce stress levels. Number 8. Stimulating drainage. The lymphatic system is responsible for carrying waste and toxins away from the tissues and filtering them out of the body. Castor oil contains compounds that help stimulate lymphatic flow, encouraging the movement of lymph fluid and promoting detoxification. Swelling and fluid retention can be signs of a sluggish lymphatic system, leading to discomfort and bloating. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and promote the movement of excess fluids out of the tissues. Number 9. Stretch marks. Dry, dehydrated skin is more prone to developing stretch marks, as it lacks the elasticity needed to accommodate changes in size. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids and moisturizing nutrients that help hydrate and nourish the skin, restoring its suppleness and elasticity. Number 10. Skin health. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and its health and appearance are influenced by various factors, including hydration, nourishment, and protection. If you're looking to achieve a radiant complexion and improve overall skin health, consider adding castor oil to your bedtime routine. Number 11. Hair growth. Castor oil has been shown to stimulate hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles and encouraging the proliferation of new hair cells. Its moisturizing properties also help prevent dryness and breakage, allowing your hair to grow longer and healthier. Number 12. Natural laxative. Castor oil is renowned for its ability to stimulate bowel movements and relieve constipation. When ingested before bed, castor oil works by enhancing the movement of the muscles in the intestines, promoting the expulsion of waste and toxins from the body. A healthy gut is essential for proper digestion and elimination. Castor oil supports gut health by promoting regular bowel movements and detoxification, helping to maintain a healthy balance of beneficial bacteria in the intestines.